50th অ্যানিভার্সারি অফ 1971 আমাদের যে যুদ্ধের বিজয় হয়েছিল তার 50th অ্যানিভার্সারি আর আমাদের ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্সের 75th অ্যানিভার্সারি, এই দুটো নিয়ে আমরা একটা ফিল্ম তৈরি করেছি। সেটা আজকে দেখানো হচ্ছে এখানে। আর্মির যত অফিসিয়ালস আছে, যত আর্মি কমান্ডার থেকে চিফ অফ স্টাফ, ওদের সব মেজর জেনারেল ওরা সব আসছে, বিএসএফের অনেক লোক আসছে, পুলিশ থেকে লোক আসছে। তা এখানে আর প্লাস স্টুডেন্টস আর ফ্যাকাল্টি মেম্বার্স, ভাইস চ্যান্সেলর, এরা সবাই আসছে।
I've known Mr. Chopra for some time, and I was engaged with this making some years back when we had completed. And today, seeing it in being released is something phenomenal. And I do pray and hope this movie is shown across the country to the youth of our nation to realize it's truly the finest hour.
The movie is very fantastically made. There are no made up facts. It's just the crisp truth. And I feel the archives have been brought out pretty well. The research behind the movie has been fantastic. And congratulations on the movie.
पिक्चर के बारे में तो, डॉक्यूमेंट्री के बारे में तो आई मस्ट से दैट ही हैज पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग, यू नो द प्रेजेंट जनरेशन डज नॉट नो दिस। आज के जो नई जनरेशन है उसके इसके बारे में कोई ज्ञान नहीं है, ठीक है। तो ऐसा एक इन्होंने एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाया है एंड मेरा ये सोचना है कि ये मैक्सिमम लोगों को दिखाया जाना चाहिए। इनफैक्ट कॉलेजेस और स्कूल्स में भी इसको दिखाया जा सकता है।
It was well crafted. I was, from my childhood, I have been heard from these stories, Colonel Manik Shaw, Indira Gandhi, this movement 1971. So today I cherish my that childhood. It was well executed, well crafted, and the storyline was absolutely, purely, I enjoy a lot.
In fact, I was just talking to Pradeep ji that if he would be interested to show this to the Bangladeshi, at least. So what I intend, in fact, within my limited capacity, because I'd love to, that if the Bangladeshi High Commission here, Deputy High Commission here, they see this movie, I'm sure they're likely to be some buzz.
I think the representation of the whole movie was really amazing. I loved the fast-paced nature of it at the end as well. And there were multiple things happening in multiple directions, and all of it was coordinated in the perfect manner, I believe. So, all in all, it was a great representation of what happened and how we won that battle. And I think more and more movies should be made like this.
See, this is, as the title says, the finest hour of India, right? So the way this is made, it is one of the finest documentaries I have seen. It was always only a one-line statement saying we have won, liberated Bangladesh, but how? How part is so well brought out in this documentary. It's all credit goes to Eileen's team and Pradeep sir for this amazing work.
इस फिल्म को देखकर कुछ तो पुरानी यादें ताज़ा हो गई, और ये फिल्म देखना इसलिए भी ज़रूरी है, निहायत ज़रूरी है, ख़ासकर जो यंग लोग हैं, जिससे कि वो समझें कि कैसे बांग्लादेश लिबरेट हुआ था, क्या इंडिया की भूमिका थी, क्या देश की भूमिका थी, क्या इंदिरा गांधी की भूमिका थी, क्या पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप होती है, कैसी पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप होती है, कैसी होनी चाहिए। इन सब के बारे में अगर आपको जानना है तो इस फिल्म को देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
It's an inspiration for a generation of Indians, a few generations of Indians, I would say. And it's been very well acclaimed even in Bangladesh side because this is one of those rare films which documented exactly what happened during that time. And
to see the archival footage collated like this, it's amazing, and I think all the students should see this, because this is a historically important movie, and I think that it's wonderful that this initiative was taken by IED and the film industry.
excellent documentary, and it really enriches us with all the past history, and we were not privy to such details. Now after seeing this, we know actually what it took for the freedom of Bangladesh and how India helped Bangladesh, and how we strategized our plans, and we could defeat Pakistan in just 13 days.
1971 ये जो फिल्म, ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री दिल को छू जाने वाली एक फिल्म है, और मैं प्रदीप जी को और आईलिड की पूरी टीम को मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा। दिल से दुआ निकली है आज, और मैं चाहूँगा कि ये प्रत्येक भारतीय भाषा में इसका अनुवाद हो, प्रचार हो, प्रसार हो। इससे बेहतरीन, नॉलेजेबल और इंफॉर्मेटिव फिल्म हो नहीं सकती।
The Indian Army has done. It's commendable, and I'm so proud that I am born in this country. Really proud to be Indian.
My message to the citizens of the country is, please don't pass any comments on the armed forces without really understanding their true sacrifice, their valor and their patriotism. The whole family of an army personnel sacrifices. It's not only the man.
And once again, thank you all for coming this and making this little effort of ours successful. Thank you so much.